how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to tell you a story about the letters of the alphabet. So one day, all the letters of the alphabet were talking to each other. They were discussing that every child has his pet name, but we don't have any pet name. We also want pet name. They all then decided to go to the letter god. Do you know, all the letters, they also have a god. So they went to the letter god and requested letter god that please God, give us a pet name. We also want pet name. Every child is having their pet name, but we don't have. Then letter god said, okay, that's it. That's all you want. I will give pet name to each and every letter. So let's see what all pet names all the letters got.
So children, let's start our fun class. This is A. So A got the name A. B. B. C. K. D. D. E. A. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. V. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. And Z. Z. Now, let's see. All the letters are so happy to get their pet names. Let us revise them once more. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.